Wagwan, welcome to the channel. I'm Levine, a beginner gardener in Zone 9B, Houston, Texas. Welcome to the hot mess. It's been raining, still raining, like crazy. I had to take off some of my netting to give the plants a chance to air out since we have a little break in between the rains. I said let me run out here and grab this because, ooh, wow. Wow. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a whole lot. Everything's still covered. I don't want the bugs to eat up my stuff while it's raining. But I noticed that my tomatoes, oh, they're getting eaten up. Ooh, wee. Those hornworms. I picked off 2 massive hornworms off my tomato plant last night. Well, in the afternoon, I was in my bedroom, peeping through the window because I couldn't come out, pouring down rain. And I saw this massive, the thing was like as big as my little finger on my tomato plant. I had to run out here in the rain with my little scissors to get it off of there. Ugh. And I end up finding another one on another tomato plant. So I said, okay, just because it's raining, like I said before, doesn't mean you don't need to check on your plants. You can't just leave them to nature. You got to check on them. So here I am in between the rain. It's like 7 a.m. Yes, we got a little break. It's supposed to be flooding from, yesterday was Monday, it's Tuesday. It's supposed to be flooding from Monday all the way until Thursday. That's a long time not to come out and check on your garden. But I'm really here to check on my green stalks because they are lush and beautiful. Yes, yes. All this rain, they love it. They really do. Until it gets to Wednesday, then they start to suffer when it gets a little too much. But for right now, they're lush and green, baby. Yes. Loving the way they look. Yes. Thanks for stopping by. Let's see what we get into. My potatoes. I have 2 grow bags, 10-gallon grow bags of potatoes that I wanted to harvest yesterday, but rain came out of nowhere. So I'm going to pull them under my cover right here and leave them there. Hopefully I'll be able to harvest them. I don't know when this bag is going to dry out. I don't know. I don't know if you can harvest potatoes while it's wet. It might be a little messy, but we'll see. I'm going to haul those bags over here. Look, it's ready to be harvested, but I don't know about this rain. Everything seems to be doing okay. I need to get in here and do some cleaning up. Yeah. I need to clean up some of these. But for the most part, they're doing okay. Looks like a ghost town. These are my potatoes I need to harvest. I'm going to leave them under here. See if they'll dry out a little bit. I still haven't planted my roses. This one looked like it's trying to perk up. And this one right here. I have these flowers, my dollar flowers from Walmart. I need to plant. But as you can see, too much rain. My Malabar spinach. I need to get it up off this ground before it takes root. I did put some diatomaceous earth in here because it was filled with ants. See? It looks like it might have worked. I'm hoping it did because I want to take out this Malabar spinach before it goes to seed and or grow root through the bag. I need to take care of that. My trees are fine. They're doing okay. This one looks like it's putting on more berries. Check on my tomato plants. I got tomato. Something was eating it, so I put them in baggies. My pepper plant looked like it's okay. And my eggplant. Some blossoms. She's getting too much water. But other than that, she looks okay. Yeah, something's definitely in here still. So I left this greens, pretty much my sacrifice. Hopefully they'll eat the greens and leave the rest of my plants alone. I need to trim this basil. Basil has grown. Look at my eggplant. Now, I might be giving this thing too much nitrogen because I don't see any fruit, but I see a whole lot of growth. A whole lot of growth, but not a lot of fruit. So it might be getting too much nitrogen. Too much foliage. Yeah, she's big. She a big one. Potatoes. Potatoes. So I've got these bags on my plant. This is the plant that I found that huge hornworm. I've never seen anything that big ever. I mean, I haven't been gardening that long, but last year I did have hornworms in my green stock, but nothing that big. Look what it did to my plant. It tore that thing up. Tore it up. I have bags on these tomatoes. See if I can help them. And I had a bag on this one. I had another tomato here that I harvested yesterday. It was really big. It was also in a bag. And look at the worms did to here. Tore up this poor plant. Tore it up. Look who's putting on okra. This little thing. I need to take them out of this tiny container. I haven't gotten around to it. My gungo peas. Yeah. My other tomato plant that's been eaten up. Yeah, these are the ones that are, these caterpillars and hornworms are tearing up. Since I can't come outside as often as I would like because of all the rain, these bugs are taking advantage. And look here, look who decided to grow. This is always doing really well. I need to harvest. This is the harvest for today.